Well, welcome back to the Locust Farm and Fab Shop. We have a new project in the shop. One of the guys I go to church with brought me his 2000 Jeep Wrangler. Here it is. I know some of y'all, it was way before the channel, but I had this same, actually mine was a 98, so this is a 2000 inline 6 5-speed. It's actually a pretty cool Jeep. It's all bone stock. You need to work on that. It's got 173,000 miles on it. I don't know what is going on with my scanner, but that's the first thing. When I cranked it up and pulled it in here, it was vibrating. Got a check engine light, the brake light's on, so we're doing a system scan right now to see what the problem is. But what we're doing, quick little video, is we are installing a winch and a winch plate. He liked the video that I did of the winch on the trailer, so he wants a winch put on this. So that's what we are fixing to do, is mount him a winch. It's a stock bumper. Looks like it's been flat toed. Got some nice headlights. And guys, if y'all are anywhere around North Mississippi, y'all know it's hot. This is actually probably going to be one of the first videos that I have shot post surgery. I'm getting better. Still got a lot of work to go. I'm working with 5-pound weights right now. Do that for another 2 weeks, and then I'm moving up to 10 pounds. But I believe my time off work is fixing to be over, so I got to get buff, as they say. Anyway, we're going to jump into this and see what we got. We're going to read this code reader and see what we got. As always, 98% of y'all watching my videos aren't subscribed. I'd greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe and support the channel. I do have some shirts available. I'll put a link in for those. Info at locustfarmandfabshop.com. And other than that, let's get to it. Let's see what this code reader says, and we'll go from there. You've been playing. Alright guys, so the code resetting didn't work. So what we're going to do now, first thing we got to do is get this off, look at everything, but before we do anything, we're going to remove the battery connections, just in case I've got to do any kind of welding. We haven't cleaned the shop up yet from the last debauchery in here of my Jeep. So, looks like he took out a bird. Got feathers in the radiator. Anyway, so let me get some tools set up. We've got to do a deep dive clean on the shop. It is completely and utterly just garbage. Anyway, let me get some tools. Be back in a minute. Alright, so the owner of the vehicle had just called and he's on his way over here. We're going to go ahead and use our Mississippi speed wrench. Go ahead and take this battery out, or off. I'm not going to take it out, but anytime you're doing any kind of welding on these, you're going to have the battery disconnected just so it doesn't blow a fuse or anything. For all those wondering, I am 3 months out of my surgery. Going pretty good. Kind of needed to get back to work. I've got to look at what retirement's going to look like, and I don't think I'm ready to retire yet. For the main thing, everything I did stupid when I was young is now coming back to haunt me. So, yeah, there's that. But the other thing is, I don't think I'm disciplined enough. Let me get a pair of pliers. That one on the set of tools. ain't working. Let me go get some other tools. By the way, it's hotter than a firecracker on the 4th of July. You have to go inside and get some tea. Because, yeah, a little warm out. I'm already sweating. So, I bet you my little thing died on me. I bet you this is not charged up, but whatever. So now let's see what we gotta do to take these off, and I believe that's gonna be a 10 millimeter, which I just so happen to have. This is getting ridiculous. All right, we'll be back in a minute. I gotta find some tools.
A few minutes later.
All right, well, so winch bracket. We have taken the T50 bolts out of here. Got the front bolts undone. We're fixing to mount the, whoop, y'all didn't follow me. We're fixing to mount the winch to the plate first and then mount this up. Should be pretty easy. I think the hardest thing is gonna be the wiring. So we get this thing mounted up, I'll be back in a minute. All right, well, we didn't film a lot. I got that look in my, but we got the winch mounted. Got the put on. All the controls are done. The wiring we ran straight to the battery. And I forgot to put them on. But I'm gonna do a little bit of tie wrapping. We painted our little nuts and bolts there. Winch works great. Torqued everything down to 75 foot-pounds. And Cody is good to go. I know I didn't show a lot, but it's so dang hot out here. We had to hurry up. But if you have any questions or comments, just shoot them down below. And mounting a winch is pretty simple. We just mounted it to the plate, mounted the plate to the bolts. Used a Rugged Country mounting plate and used a Chinesium winch, which will work great for what he's got going. Next thing we're gonna do is a lift. So appreciate y'all watching. Comment, like, subscribe, Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Come on with it before you forget it. And when all else fails, just roll on. Catch y'all later.